I'm talking about SignalPeak today and what group that I've been using this week. I like to do this twice a week to show you guys how SignalPeak actually works. So guys, if you want to get involved free, hit that link down below and get started. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor, just for education purposes only. Let me show you the group that I've been using this week. All right, guys, this is the one I've been using this week, Binance Team, okay? But first, let me show you what you have to do to get involved in this. That link down below is going to take you through to this channel of SignalPeak, and you're going to go to their bot. You're going to hit the 3-day free trial. If you want to pay straight away, guys, it's completely up to you. You're going to save $100. I'll make a tiny bit of commission. We all win. But I do urge you to go through the 3-day free trial and just check for yourself. This is what a signal looks like. XTZ USDT, they tell you it's along with the leverage where you're going to enter. So guys, this is the entry point. Don't go into any other. If you've missed it, move to the next one. These are the targets you're looking for and the stop loss right here. And guys, you can see all targets achieved on this signal. So that is huge profit. This, and I want to be very clear, these ones, the signals they put in sometimes last days. You can see this lasted 1 day and 10 hours, but it made 41%. I'm happy to go to sleep and wake up knowing that profit is coming. 43%, 20%, 6%. You can literally make the $250 you spent back within 1 day on these trades, guys. All right, it's absolutely insane. What I want to do for you is show you exactly how you can take one of these signals. So let's go into, for example, a Glassnode daily. All right, I'm going to go to the bottom and I'm actually going to show you how to take one of these signals. So trading signal here, you can see it's SXP to BTC. So I'm going to go over to my trading view. Okay, I'm going to put this in here. Okay, and I'm going to choose this token. And not only can you see how to take the signal, but also this is going to show you if you want to confirm the signal. So we know that that's the token. The next thing that it tells us is that this is a sell. How crazy that a signal just came up as we're speaking. This is a sell, all right, at 0.0000396, which is, guys, if we have a look, exactly at this point. So they're asking us to sell at the top of this candle, okay? So if we mark this off right now, they said to us to sell, short position at the top of this candle here, okay? And they asked us to sell to when. Let's have a look. So they're saying sell, guys, and they're saying for this candle, okay? That's what Glassnode Daily does. It says to sell. It doesn't have a point to hit. It just has a 4-hour candle, so it's always a 4-hour trade. So if we actually mark this up, already, guys, if you decided to take this sell, you would have been in profit, okay? You would have been in this much profit here. Now, it has gone back up and retracted, so this is why I'm saying it's up to you. If you decide, okay, let me just put this here. If you decide that you want to take all of this profit, see where that is right now, okay? All of this profit you would have already have made from the point to here. You'd already have made 4% gain. 4%, guys, all right? Now, if you decide that you wanted to wait it out until the end of the candle, and it does reach, say, engulfing that candle, you could be looking at about an 8 to 7%. So my point to this is, guys, is completely up to you. But as you can see, exactly what they said did happen. All right, they sold the 4-hour candle, but it does not mean you have to wait 4 hours. Take profit. This is nearly at the end. I would have took that profit. So Binance Team's the one I've been using this week. Make sure you do hit the link. You get over 100 premium real-time signals from crypto VIP groups. Unbelievable, guys. Let's get to it. Hit the like button, hit subscribe, and the bell button to be notified. SignalPeak's going to save you money. It's going to make me a little bit of money. It's going to keep this whole ecosystem running. So let's go.